This apartment is located in Ciudad del Rio in a brand new building. Everything is new, which is awesome. It's got amenities. It's on a high floor, so you've got a great view. That's the first thing that I noticed when I opened the door here. This is the kitchen area. It's got a counter there with the brand new stovetop, brand new oven. Everything is brand new. You can remodel this if you wanted to, but this is move-in ready. I mean, you really don't need to. It looks great. That's the oven. That's the countertop. The stovetop. This is the storage area for the laundry here. This is you could easily fit a stackable washer dryer. There's the on-demand heating unit that's already hooked up. It's got some more storage area here. I like the fact that this isn't an enclosed area. Oh, the breakers are there as well. Yeah, everything is kind of neatly organized, which is kind of great because not a lot of apartments are like that here in Medellin. They've definitely evolved and they look, I mean, this is a modern apartment. Okay, so this is the living area. I'm gonna head over here to the living area and kind of pan over this living space, which is great. A living room space, and this, my favorite part of the apartment, which is this view here on the balcony. Look at that. You're overlooking basically the north of Medellin, or the northwest of Medellin. I mean, you really have kind of northwest east also, which is pretty amazing. Look at that. You're in Ciudad del Rio, which is completely flat. You've got nothing obstructing your view. You do see some construction happening there, but that only means that this is going to be a great deal. And I'm going to tell you why here in a minute towards the end when I go over the numbers. So this is, again, a 2-bedroom, 3-bath apartment. Each bedroom has its own bathroom, which is great. That was the view and the living room area / kitchen. I love the fact that they've combined the two so that you know, if you're hosting, you could cook together. Here's the first bathroom, which is a half bath. It's the social bathroom in the living room area. Again, nothing really to remodel here. Just decorate it nicely, and it's good to go. This is the first bedroom here. You could easily fit a double bed here, if not a queen size bed if you want something bigger. And it also has a view, over the same view as the balcony and the living room, which is great. The square meters on this one is 79 square meters. And it was built this year in 2024. So it's brand new. You would be the first one to live in it. That's the closet there. And Ciudad del Rio is great because it's kind of like a city within a city. If you've been to Medellin, you know. It's got everything there, walking distance. You can ride your bike. It's safe. And it's still El Poblado. So that means that the appreciation will hold as the years go by, because it's just getting more and more, it's evolving. There's a lot more things going on there. It's got the park. This is the master bedroom, by the way. Easily fit a queen size, if not a king size bed there. Really cool how they have views in both of the rooms, which is great. I mean, waking up in the morning and seeing this has to be awesome, right? I would obviously go out to the balcony and have my coffee, but this is a great view. I mean, come on. You can't beat that. So, again, 79 square meters. The asking price on this one is 700 million Colombian pesos, which only comes out to 172,000 US dollars. That means that the price per square meter is at about $2,100, and that is under market value. If you look at any of the new apartments in Medellin, in El Poblado, in this, even in Ciudad del Rio, the price per square meter will be around $3,000. So to have it at 2,100 US dollars per square meter is a deal. You definitely want to make an offer on this one if you're ready to purchase. If you do want to make that offer, make sure to click the link in the description to our form. You fill it out, and somebody on our team will get back to you.